Have you ever wondered what it takes to get approved for the Emma app? Are you curious about the specific requirements and criteria that Emma uses to select its users? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Emma app requirements and provide you with all the information you need to increase your chances of getting accepted. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand why Emma app is such a big deal. Emma is a revolutionary platform that connects users with financial experts who can provide personalized advice and guidance. It's a game changer for those looking to improve their financial literacy and make informed decisions about their money. Requirement 1. Age and residency. One of the fundamental requirements for using the Emma app is age and residency. To create an account, you must be at least 18 years old. Additionally, Emma currently operates in select countries, so make sure your location is supported. Requirement 2. Financial stability. Emma prioritizes users who demonstrate financial stability. This means having a consistent income source and a history of responsible financial behavior. While Emma doesn't have a specific minimum income requirement, it's generally beneficial to have a stable financial foundation. Requirement 3. Credit history. While credit history is not a strict requirement for using the Emma app, it can certainly be a factor in your application. Having a good credit score can increase your chances of being approved, as it indicates financial responsibility and trustworthiness. Requirement 4. Identity verification. To ensure the security and integrity of its platform, Emma requires users to verify their identity. This typically involves providing identification documents such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. Requirement 5. Bank account connection. To fully utilize the Emma app's features, you'll need to connect your bank account. This allows you to track your spending, set financial goals, and receive personalized advice based on your financial situation. Additional tips for increasing your chances. Complete your profile, provide accurate and detailed information about yourself and your financial goals. Engage with the Emma community, participate in discussions, and ask questions to demonstrate your interest in financial wellness. Be patient. The approval process may take some time, so don't get discouraged if you don't receive an immediate response. So, there you have it. These are the key requirements for using the Emma app. Remember, while meeting these requirements doesn't guarantee approval, they significantly increase your chances of becoming a valued member of the Emma community. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.